Hello and welcome back to our channel. So this video is the first test. So that's not training. I've done my warm-up and now one take, see where we're at consistency from 3.2 meters with the old favorites. Okay, now couple of things. Yes, it was supposed to be a 2 weekly or fortnightly testing, but yeah, life got away from me a little bit, but that happens. It was never a set interval. That's one. Two, currently my screwdrivers feel a little bit funny because it's been very wet for 3 or 4 days now, cold and wet. So the air is very humid, so they're a little bit sticky. So I expect it's gonna be a horrible set. Now, when I said old favorites, because these are my initial favorite screwdrivers that I used for throwing or started learning no spin dip. And then there was another question: why did I pick 3.2 meters? The short answer is that's the edge of the carpet. The other answer is I wanted to be above 3 meter or beyond the 3 meter mark, and that is absolutely all the time. Even if I overstep the line a little bit, I'm still gonna be 100% more than 3 meters. So it's very simple. Right, let's get on to this. 6 sets of 5, no cut, one take. So that's 5 miss out of 6 sets. So it's 25. So it's 83% stick rate. But as you guys noticed, there's plenty of really bad sticks. The release is really difficult. There's way more friction between my hand and the handles than usual is due to the huge amount of moisture in the air. It's not a bad set, but as I said, the sticks are awful, and as even within this set, there's one seriously over rotated, one's under rotated. Yeah, they're not the prettiest sticks. But for today, as I said, it's going to be a one set type of testing. I'm not going to redo it or whatever. It is what it is. We take it at face value. In any way, thanks for watching.